Most of us would jump at the chance to claim cash that is just sitting there waiting for us, especially when it comes from a massive legal settlement. It feels like a win, a little bit of justice in your bank account. That is the exact craving a certain website is trying to tap into right now. They call themselves Money Pilot, promising to find unclaimed class action funds and manage your subscriptions all in one place. It sounds incredibly convenient, almost too good to be true. When you land on their page, the first thing you see are glowing testimonials. People are smiling. The reviews are perfect. It looks like a polished, professional operation. But the moment you step outside that bubble, the picture starts to crumble. I went looking for independent verification, and I found nothing on the major review platforms. One of the biggest review sites has absolutely zero entries for them. That is a massive red flag for a company claiming to handle people's finances. Then I headed over to the discussion boards on the web. That is where the mask really slips off. Real users are reporting some very concerning patterns. They describe a service that demands a monthly subscription fee just to help you file for settlements. Here is the reality. Filing for a class action settlement is almost always free. You do not need a middleman to take a cut or charge you a monthly tax for the privilege. People on those forums are sharing stories about locked accounts and payments that never stop, even when they try to cancel. They talk about customer support being a complete ghost town. One person said they finally got a payout, but the amount of stress they went through made it feel like a loss. The site itself has only been active since late last year. It hasn't even hit its first birthday yet. A brand new site with no history asking for your sensitive data is a recipe for disaster. It gets even weirder when you look at their physical office. The address they provide appears to be a direct copy from a completely different business. It is a hollow shell. I tried to track down the parent company mentioned in their fine print. There is no registration number, no tax ID, no proof that this entity actually exists in any legal capacity. It feels like a house of cards, designed to look sturdy while they collect your monthly fees. Your personal information is far more valuable than a potential check that might never arrive. Handing over your credit card details to a company with no track record and a fake address is a huge gamble. If you want to find settlements, just go to the official portals. They are free. They are secure. They do not require a subscription. This service is a classic example of a shiny wrapper on a very empty box. Be incredibly careful with where you put your trust. And your wallet, if it feels off, it usually is. Stick to the resources you know are legitimate and keep your data safe from these unverified platforms. You have to ask yourself why a legitimate business would hide its registration or use a copied address. These are not minor mistakes. They are systemic issues that suggest you should stay far away. Your peace of mind is worth more than the promise of easy money. Always check the fine print before you sign up for a recurring charge. The web is full of these traps, and this one has all the symptoms of a site you should avoid at all costs. Protect your bank account and your identity by doing a little bit of homework first. It will save you a lot of grief in the long run.